full tank of fuel. Choke on, wherever it is. Should turn my fuel on, that would help. 5 seconds to start. So it took about a minute to start it, just from cold. Choke's off now. That's ready to go now. See how it rides, compare it to the Jets. JD Jet Kit. Sweet. So we're at the letter A today. We're going to do about 50 or so kilometers, check the range, we'll compare it to how much oil comes out of the pipe and that sort of stuff. With Scotty on a TE250, brand new one, 2020 model. Just in second gear, going around the fire, the little single tracks off the fire trail here. I don't really have to change gear much, it pulls alright in the stock jets. Muddy section. So about 12 k's into the ride. As you see, boys, got a bit of oil dripping down the pipe already. So I was trying to eliminate that with the better jetting, run cleaner. Fuel wise, probably use the litre, maybe a litre and a half. It's just about there. Apart from that, it's going alright. It's just a little bit gluggy here and there. And the oil, is it blowing smoke? Not really, no. It's not really blowing smoke when I'm riding. But anyway. climb. I'll redo that with the JD jet kit and see the difference on the camera. Managed to overtake Scotty there, he got stuck on that little hill. Should be here in a minute. Wait for the 4-stroke. Here he comes. So I'm about 35 k's into the ride. As you can see, bike's been going good. Still a lot of oil coming out the rear. Can't do much about it, it's always done it since it's been set up from the shop. So hopefully JD jet kit makes it go a bit better. I also want to see how much fuel I use. I can't really see, I'm sort of about here in the fuel level. Scotty finally caught up on the 250. So 50 kilometers pretty much on the dot. Want to see how much fuel it used. A lot of oil coming down now. But anyway, I'll try the jet kit and see if it makes a difference.